to do hard work in a time. We have to utilize our time in a good way. That's why time is the most important.
Yeah, I'm saying again and again that time is much important, but now it's the money. You can't get the point that I'm saying time is important, but now as a generation we are here.
No, generation doesn't matter.
Generation matters. The first women were not that much promoted, but now the generation.
Yeah, generation matters, but in the case of time changes.
You know, but here's no matter about generation. And here's the point about time and money. We are saying about time, so please use give me something about money, not about generation and time.
Yeah.
Time versus money.
Yeah. This is money is important, but time is the most important thing. That time we don't have money. That's why.
I'm saying again and again that money is time is so important. Time is important for everyone, every person, every living being. Even for animals or aquatic animals. But you have point of money. You are not saying about any money. You are just saying the time days and utilizing generation about that and that. You are like, no, please. I'm saying. No, I'm just saying.
Okay, continue.
Parents say that इतने बड़े हो चुके हो पैसे नहीं कमा रहे हो ना. Today we are going to have a debate between us on the topic of time and money. She said that time is much important, but I said that money is much important. So let's see. We have lots of time, like many countries, there are so many countries. There are many countries in continent Africa. They have much time, from millions years ago they were there. But they don't have the technology knowledge because they don't have money. And if we have money like USA, Russia, this country, I'm just giving examples. They have money, so they have a lot of time.
You know, the countries USA, Russia and Japan are utilizing the time in a good way. That's why they are developed right now. And the other countries, they are not utilizing their time.
No, that's not. They are utilizing their time, but they don't have that much money to have that technology, to have that knowledge. They don't have the knowledge because they don't have money. Their government that have, they don't have that economical benefit. You know. So
a great Indian person, APJ Abdul Kalam once said that time is like a river. That if you can't touch the same flow that you have touched once. Because time once gone is gone forever. Money you are lost, you can get again.
Yeah, but now money is everything. You know, if we are hungry, we can't go to field. That if this child sit down, I will go and grow crop. Then I will come after 4-3 months and we will eat food. Right? We want money to have get the food because we are hungry. So we need money because we have money now. We have the knowledge. We have the proper technology. You know, that's why money is much important now for the present time or for the future. It will be because time will be not. It will be much important as well, right? But now at the present current time, I'm not talking about the past or anyone said, anything. It's just now. The money is very important for every person.
You know, money is now important. But who changed the time? Generation. That generation. The time changed us. That's why the time is important. If we don't have time, we can't get money from anywhere.
You are saying about time versus generation or time versus money.
You know, time versus money. We are not going on the point of generation.
I'm not going. I'm just saying now the money because we are living in the now. We are living.
So you are talking about generation.
You can't
Like past generation.
I'm just you are saying parents also say that I'm saying that in Hindi, right? Parents say that इतने बड़े हो चुके हैं पैसे नहीं कमा रहे हो ना. They just want to mostly people want to be successful only to get money. They are wasting their time and also the time to get money to get her family better, get comfortable life, to have everything. So if we have money, we can get anything. And now.
So, you are being successful. If you want to become a successful person, you need some time to do something. You can't be a successful person by this money or requiring some time. You need a lot of time for that. If you don't have time, you can't be a successful person.
Yeah, you say that right, but you know, we are from a middle class family, so we need time. So you know the celebrities, the rich families like Ambani's and Elon Musk. Their students are not doing that much hard work that we are just utilizing our time. They have money, so you know they can hold their business, their father's business. They are not doing they're using their money.
You know a businessman. How he manages his time, how he plans his time. You don't know about that. he don't utilize his time in a good way, he can't do this anymore.
You are saying that we are utilizing our time. A person don't want to waste his or her time, but now no person, anyone don't want to waste his or her money also. They don't want to waste. They can give 2 minutes to eat that breakfast already, but they can't give much 2 more rupees to get a breakfast. If you are going to a market, you need some fruit. They can, if the shopkeeper says that please wait for some time, or I will give you the discount, then you will get. But they can wait. But if the shopkeeper says I can give you that in less time, but you have to give me 10 or 2 rupees more, even 1 rupee. They are just having a lot of struggle to get 1 rupees. You know.
You're saying that rich person is money is the most important.
But no, I don't say that the money is the most important thing. I just think that the time is much important. Everything is important for every person, life, oxygen. But you know, now I'm saying that now money is getting much important.
If you have time, you can utilize it. You can get knowledge from anywhere if you have time. But if you don't have time, you can't get it. And you know, in this time, if you have an exam, you can use money there. You can use your time. Because time is the most important thing for a student and for everyone.